24. When assessing a client with upper extremity restraints, the nurse notes that the right hand is pale and cold, and the client is complaining that it pains. Okay? Which is the appropriate initial action for the nurse to take? So, alin daw dito yung ating initial action? Answer here is letter B. Remove the restraint. Bakit po letter B, sir? Di ba sabi nyo kanina, assessment first? Okay. Na-assess mo nga, di ba? Na-assess mo na pale, cold, okay, at masakit daw. So what is your next action? Do your nursing intervention, which is to remove the restraint. Sir, bakit hindi po pwede ang loosen the restraint? Okay, bakit? Kasi it will not make big difference. So you have to remove it totally para manumbalik yung circulation ng right hand. Then right after that, document the findings. So remember, restraints removal will prevent further tissue damage.